Doppler 18 forecast with meteorologist Jesse Hoila. Weather from where you live.
Well, there's a lot to talk about in the weather world tonight, and one thing is this chance of rain right here in Illinois. We're going to continue to monitor this complex of showers and even some embedded thunderstorms as it rolls its way off to the east-northeast rather slowly, around 20 miles per hour, and it does look to bring us a decent shot for some much-needed rain. Notice how the rainfall is filling in here in parts of east-central Missouri and west-central Illinois. Now let's go down to the tropics and talk about what everyone's been talking about, and that's Tropical Storm Isaac. There he is right there just off the Florida coast. You know, he's going to pick up quite a bit of strength as he gets into the very warm Gulf of Mexico. Let's take a pause on it to look at the very latest radar image. This is the latest possible radar image as he continues to move his way off into the Gulf Coast. And let's look at the very latest information on Isaac. He has maximum sustained winds around 60 miles per hour. His pressure reading isn't that impressive, but it will deepen. He has a very wide center of circulation. Once he gets over this very warm Gulf of Mexico, he is expected to strengthen to about a Category 2 hurricane before blasting parts of the Gulf Coast here. All these red things, the red boxes that you see here, these are hurricane warnings. So any areas around New Orleans and parts eastward towards southern Mississippi and Alabama under hurricane warnings. So we're going to continue to monitor him. Now, the reason he plays a role in our forecast is he is expected, once he moves inland, to have an impact on some areas of the Midwest. We'll put a little track on here. So once he gets up to the Gulf Coast and moves inland, of course, he will weaken significantly. Some models want to bring him through Louisiana, up the Mississippi Valley, and right through our area, bringing us good chances of rain. But some models want to bring him right off the coast once he gets inland and straight off to the East Coast. But we'll continue to monitor the very latest information, of course, and keep you updated as he does pose a threat for some rain and gusty winds towards next week. And let's go outside right now on RenCam. We're under overcast skies with that complex of showers and storms to our west, and temperatures right now a little cooler than they were yesterday due to the extensive cloud cover. 82 degrees right now outside. Some of us in the middle 70s in our northeast counties and middle 80s in our southwest counties. Here comes the rainfall on Futurecast for the rest of the evening and through tomorrow morning. Looks like a good chance of rain overnight tonight with the cloud cover. We're not going to go far with low temperatures in the upper 60s and lower 70s. Futurecast tomorrow morning through tomorrow afternoon and evening. We're going to hold on to rain showers for a good part of the day, so you probably wake up to some rainfall falling on your windshield as you head to work. 73 degrees, 79 degrees by noon, 85 the projected high in Lafayette. Rain chances will start to decrease as the day progresses. Here we are, Futurecast Monday evening. Notice how we get rid of the boundary, and we're going to be left with partly cloudy skies tomorrow night through the early part of Tuesday. Now here's the estimated rainfall forecast for this complex of showers and storms. Don't pay attention to exact numbers and locations, but notice where the heavier rain looks to be falling, and that'll be in our northern counties. I'll tell you what, guys, some of you could pick up 3/4 of an inch to an inch of rain, maybe even more if you get under some thunderstorms. Some of our southern and central counties right now looks to be picking up around 1/4 to 1/2 an inch of rain, and as that front exits, we'll be left with middle 80s for highs on Tuesday. Mostly clear skies, and we're going to stay dry for much of next week. And there's the remnants of Isaac that we'll keep in the forecast for now. We'll continue to monitor the situation. Temperatures in the middle 80s expected next weekend, and we'll hope for those chances of rain as we do.